Hi everyone, this is John Jones at ECS Computing Services. Today I'm going to show you how you can get to your home space on Gaia without using Hydra. For those of you that don't know, your home space on Gaia is here on Hydra. It's also a link on all of the lab machines, and it's also the home directory on any Linux servers. So it's useful to get to. So we use a program called WinSCP, which I'll go to right here. It is also installed on the lab machines. But if you just Google WinSCP, it should be the first one that pops up here. So this is what their site looks like, and that's the download link right there. So once you've downloaded and installed that, you can open and run it. What you'll see is this interface right here, and what we're going to type in for the host name is athena.ecs.csus.edu, and use your standard ECS username and password. So once you're connected, you'll see that files on the left here that's the files on your local system, either your laptop or your PC. The files on the right here are the actual home files in your home space on Gaia. In order to transfer between the two, you just drag and drop. And you don't actually have to drag onto the left side of the pane, you can drag anywhere. Like so. And that works the other way around too. You drag files from your local PC into your home space. Another nice thing about this is that you can just work directly on the files. If you open them like this, you can just edit them directly. And whenever you save, it will just transfer that save, like so. You can see that at the bottom there when it transfers. And that's about it.